Skills for Lifestyle Support Part 4 Nursing Care Related to Grooming. First chapter is Significance and Aim of Grooming. Section 1 Significance and Aim of Grooming. 1. Significance and Aim of Grooming. There are 2 points. 1. It is not just to be physically clean, but involves expressing our individuality and independence. 2. It is for the maintenance of relationship with others in the society. This is an example of grooming care for face. Let's fix bad hair by brushing. Remove eye wax gently from outer corner of eyes with a warm steamed towel. Trim nose hairs with the nose hair trimmer. If there is any unwanted hair and unshaved mustache, shave it. This is also an example of grooming care for body. Straighten the collar and jacket. Check and remove any stains or food remnant from the clothes. Make sure the pants is enough to cover lower legs. Make sure the user put on the shoes properly. Don't step on the backside of shoes. Second chapter is Mechanism of Mind and Body related to grooming. Section 1. Mechanism of Mind and Body related to grooming. 1. Mechanism of Mind and Body related to grooming. There are 5 points. 1. Adjustment of body temperature and skin protection. 2. Improvement of physical and mental function. 3. To promote a safe and comfortable life. 4. To help bring variation in daily life. 5. To express your individuality. Third chapter is Basics of Nursing Care related to changing clothes. There are 3 sections. 1. Undress a user from the unaffected side. Dress a user from the affected side. 2. Independent support related to changing clothes. 3. Point to remember regarding choosing clothes for users with paralysis. 1. Undress a user from the unaffected side. Dress a user from the affected side. 닦겐 잠깐. I will explain undress a user from the unaffected side. Dress a user from the affected side. 닦겐 잠깐. With the picture of Mr. Kensok. Take off from unaffected side. Put on from affected side. Put on from affected side. Take off from unaffected side. From unaffected side, take off. From affected side, put on. From affected side, put on. From unaffected side, take off. For the idea of undress a user from the unaffected side, dress a user from the affected side, 닦겐 잠깐. It is very important and will be on the exam, so students should remember. 2. Independent support related to changing clothes. There are 2 points. 1. Have a user choose one's clothes. For a user with a visual impairment, have the user touch the material and explain the design. 2. Have a user do what the user can do, and the caregiver see carefully. 3. Point to remember regarding choosing clothes for users with paralysis. Users' preference should be prioritized. It is the most important to choose the clothes that the user wants to wear. Breathable, stretchable, large cuff, front opening. Fourth chapter is Actuality of Nursing Care related to changing clothes. There are 4 sections. 1. Put on the jacket. 2. Put on pants. 3. Take off a jacket. 4. Take off pants. 1. Put on a jacket. Greeting, explaining, and obtaining consent. Greeting and explain to the user the purpose and the content of your actions and obtain consent from the user. Like, can I help you to put on your jacket? Okay. The user with right hemiplegia. Hold up the cuff of the affected side. Place his arm of the affected side into the sleeve over his shoulders to the unaffected side. Tidy the jacket and smooth away wrinkles. It's done. 2. Put on pants. The user with right hemiplegia. Bring her legs of the affected side on her knee of the unaffected side. Put on the pants from the affected side. Bending herself forward to pick up other side of the hem. Place her legs of the unaffected side into hem of the pants. Hold the handrail with her hand of the unaffected side. Pull up the pants. Sit on the bed. It's done. 3. Take off a jacket. Greeting, explaining, and obtaining consent. Greeting and explain to the user the purpose and the content of your action, and obtain consent from the user. The user with right hemiplegia. Have the user to unbutton with his hand of the unaffected side. Have the user take out the jacket. Undress, starting from his arm of the unaffected side. Next is the affected side. Confirm that he is not feeling any pain. It's done. 4. Take off pants. Greeting, explaining, and obtaining consent. Have the user to hold the handrail with his hand of the unaffected side. Pull down the pants. Have the user sit on the wheelchair. Put on the towel over his lower body. Respect user's privacy. Avoid exposing the skin and be considerate of the embarrassment the user feels. Take off the pants. It's done. Fifth chapter is nursing care related to personal grooming. There are 5 sections. 1. Face wash. 2. Hair dressing. 3. Makeup. 4. Nail clipping. 5. Shaving. 1. Face wash. Washing your face when you wake up in the morning will make you get rid of the dirt on the skin and feel refreshed. Regarding face wash, there are 2 points. Have the user moisturize the skin after washing. With a warm towel, wipe the face of the user who can't wash his or her face. 2. Brushing hair. There are 3 points. Hairstyle preference differs from person to person. Brushing the scalp increases blood flow. Use the tools to suit the condition of the user. For a person can't raise his or her hand, this brush can be used. 3. Makeup. Putting on makeup is an expression of individuality. Before going to bed, remove the makeup and condition skin. 4. Nail clipper. If you do not take care of your nail, dirt accumulates between the nail and the skin and make the area filthy. Moreover, long nails can harm the skin. Nails are affected by healthy condition. Regarding nail clipper, there are 2 points. 1. Clip the nail while they are soft after the user takes a bath. 2. To avoid ingrown nail. 5. Shaving. There are 4 points. 1. With an electric razor, hold it at right angles to the skin. 2. Shave, lightly stretching the wrinkles. 3. Check if there is any unshaved hair. 4. Protect the skin with shaving lotion. 6th chapter is oral hygiene care. There are 4 sections. 1. Significance of oral hygiene care. 2. Point to remember regarding nursing care related to brushing teeth. 3. Nursing care related to brushing teeth. 4. Keeping the dentures clean and its storage. 1. Significance of oral hygiene care. There are 4 points. 1. To keep the oral cavity clean, to prevent periodontal disease and decayed tooth. 2. To reduce the number of germs inside the mouth and prevent aspiration pneumonia. 3. Promote saliva secretion and prevent dryness of the oral cavity. 4. To maintain the sense of taste and increase appetite. 2. Point to remember regarding nursing care related to brushing teeth. There are 4 points. 1. Have the user gargle first. 2. Brush each tooth. 3. Observe the state of the oral cavity. 4. Pay attention to the oral cavity area of the affected side of the user with paralysis, as food pieces tend to be left on that side. 3. Nursing care related to brushing teeth. From the front. Prevent aspiration by providing nothing care, establishing the eye contact on the same level as that of the user. From the back, do not lift the chin of the user, as it can cause a risk of aspiration. Proper way to hold a toothbrush. If it is not possible to use a toothbrush for cleaning teeth, use a sponge brush, etc. 4. Keeping the dentures clean and its storage. Dentures are replacement for lost teeth. They are full and partial dentures. There are 2 points. 1. Dentures need to be removed and cleaned after each meal. 2. After removing the dentures, brush the remaining teeth. How to wash dentures? Brush with running water. Hard brush with toothpaste for denture. Store the denture in water. How to take out denture? First, a lower part of denture is removed. Next is an upper part of the denture. How to put on denture? First, an upper part of denture is inserted. Next is the lower part of the denture. Okay, you are done with nursing care related to grooming in the category of skills for lifestyle support. Congratulations, you can get one step closer to be a good caregiver. See you next lesson.